All right, hey guys. I thought I would jump on and show you how I make the Sleepy Time roller that I use on my girls. I'm also going to be explaining why these oils are being used and what they do. So, first, I'm going to take off the roller. I got this neat little card in the same box as my rollers. Sometimes it's a little more annoying, doesn't quite get under there well enough. If that's the case, just take your nails and pop it off. Alright, so first we're going to start with lavender. We're going to do the 10 drops, and then I'll explain what lavender is good for. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, and lavender is good for calming, relaxing, balancing physically and emotionally, and reduces stress. So all those things would be good for getting ready for bed. Let's see, we are going to do cedar wood next, and we're just going to be doing 5 drops of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, I've got to find it in my notes. Let's see, it stimulates the limbic region of the brain, which is the center of your emotions, and stimulates the pineal gland, which releases the melatonin, which is, as we all know, good for sleep. Let's see, and then next would be peace and calming, but I am out. I need to order that one. But peace and calming is one of Young Living's blends. It contains tangerine, um, let's see, tangerine peel oil, orange peel oil, lang lang flower oil, and patchouli. Um, Tangerine promotes happiness, calming, helps with anxiety and nervousness. Orange is uplifting and an antidepressant. It also boosts immunity and induces relaxation. Let's see, Lang Lang balances male and female energies, if you're into that. Enhances spiritual attunement. Let's see. Also combats anger and low self-esteem, increases focus of thought, and filters out negative energy, restores confidence and peace. So those are all great things to do right before bed. And patchouli is a relaxant that clarifies thought and or allows the discarding of jealousies, obsessions, and insecurities. All great pre-bedtime stuff. um, let's see, the next ingredient is going to be Valor. And we will be doing 10 drops of Valor. And if I didn't say it, it's 10 drops of peace and calming. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And these are the children dilutions. Valor is another blend. It contains capric triglyceride. Basically, it boosts the shelf life and boosts antioxidants, so that's cool. Black spruce oil, camphor wood oil, blue tansy oil, frankincense, and geranium. Let's see, black spruce releases emotional blocks, bringing about a feeling of balance and grounding. Camphor helps prevent coughing and enhances skin absorption of the oils. So that's probably why Valor is also known to help with snoring. Blue tansy is a relaxant. Frankincense is an antidepressant. and muscle relaxing. Geranium helps prevent muscle spasms, improves blood flow, helps release negative memories, ease nervous tension, balances emotions, lifts spirit, and fosters peace, well-being, and hope. So these are all great things to have on you and be breathing in at bedtime or even a little bit before bedtime. So now that we've got our oils in our roller, we are going to take our, well, my fractionated coconut oil or whatever your preferred carrier oil of choice is, and top the rest of the bottle with your carrier oil. Alright? And then we're just gonna pop the roller ball back in, and we've got all our oils. You can kind of see how there's still a separation down here. So we're just gonna take this bottle and flip it over a few times till we can see it all mix in. Alright, and that is it. I will see you guys next time.